Addressing a media conference on the region's COVID-19 status, Friedrich says behavioral change remains the key in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Statistics show the region has recorded more than 6,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases since the outbreak of the pandemic in early 2020. Of these cases, 43 are in the 20 to 30 age range, 7% are above 60 years, while under 5-year-old makes up only 2.3%. Recoveries now stand at 5,356, representing 88.3%. At present, there are 578 active cases, while the death toll has hit 132. The governor expressed concern over the non-adherence COVID-19 preventative measures by the public amid surging new infections and deaths.
We have a lot of people that has recovered from COVID-19, and I urge those ones that went through that process also to take up the responsibility and educate their fellow Namibians, citizens. We also need to tell the positive story and sell the positive story to others, not only criticizing the government and those ones that are working in the front line. They need our support. They need also to hear we appreciate them for what they are doing. And we need also to testify and motivate and encourage others. So that is also very imperative. That is what we call nation building, and not just break down and use propagandas.
Friedrich says storage space in mortuaries is also running out due to the spike in COVID-19 deaths and appeal to the public to adhere to the COVID-19 burial regulations. She notes the increased number of COVID-19 patients hospitalized puts pressure on the oxygen supplies at medical facilities.
Oxygen and ventilators actually should be the last resort for every individual. Meaning that if we, as the citizens of this country, adhere to the regulations, wearing masks, practicing social distancing, sanitize or regular washing of our hands, but the most important one is avoid unnecessary movements and attendance of gatherings. I believe that we will have a very small number of people that will enter at the last resort, which is to receive oxygen.
Only 5% of the region's inhabitants have been fully vaccinated to date. Friedrich believes anti-vaccination propagandas and political interference attributes to the low vaccination rate. Lukman Kluter, NBC News, Keetmanshoop.